Think you're crushing chest day with the incline bench press? Hold up. Most lifters are secretly turning this powerhouse move into a shoulder-wrecking disaster without even realizing it. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn the incline bench from a joint killer into a chest-building machine. Here's the truth. I see 3 mistakes every single week in the gym. Mistake 1. Cranking the bench too high, basically doing a shoulder press. Mistake 2. Letting the lower back go flat and losing chest engagement. Mistake 3. Gripping the bar like you're twisting a wet towel, elbows flaring everywhere. Sound familiar? If you've ever felt more burn in your shoulders than your chest, one of these habits is the culprit. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you the small tweaks that transform this lift, step by step. Let's start with the bench itself. Angle matters. Set it to about 30 degrees. Think of it as the sweet spot between flat and upright. Too steep, and your shoulders steal the show. Too flat, and you're basically doing a regular bench press. Next, plant your feet. Imagine building a skyscraper. The foundation has to be rock solid or the top wobbles. Keep your feet flat, maintain a slight arch in your lower back, and pinch your shoulder blades together. That's your launch pad. Now grab the bar a little wider than shoulder width. Here's a light bulb moment. Instead of just holding the bar, bend it like you're trying to snap it in half. That external rotation locks your shoulders down and keeps your chest engaged. Lower the bar slowly to the upper chest, right around your collarbone. Don't bounce. Pause for half a second. Elbows? Aim for a 45-degree angle, not chicken wing flares. That keeps tension in the pecs and protects the joints. Want to take it from good to great? Control the negative for 3 seconds. Time under tension wakes up every fiber. Drive through the floor with your feet on the press, like you're pushing the earth away. Keep your eyes on a fixed spot on the ceiling. It sounds minor, but it stops you from craning your neck and keeps the bar path consistent. Let's compare. Wrong form. Bench set too high, elbows flared, bar bouncing off the chest. That's a recipe for aching shoulders and zero chest growth. Right form, moderate incline, tight back, elbows tucked, bar lowered under control. Smooth press upward. Feel the chest, not the joints, doing the work. See the difference? Your pecs light up while your shoulders stay safe. Here's your challenge. Right now, set that bench to 30 degrees and try 10 flawless reps with a weight you can truly control. Focus on bending the bar and driving through the floor. Notice how different, how better it feels. Remember, strength is built rep by rep, with perfect form as your blueprint. Master this, and every chest workout becomes a growth session instead of a guessing game. Stay consistent, stay patient, and keep building that powerhouse chest. You've got this.